This is Ken Pyle with Viodi, and for the last couple days I've been here at Parks Associates Smart Energy Summit interviewing a number of speakers. They've had a great program as always. A theme that came from those speakers as well as the presenters at this event is big data. That was one theme, big data, and it showed up in three ways. One, the whole idea of breaking down silos, things that would have been disparate activities before, like home security, energy management. Suddenly, with communications and connectivity, these things can complement each other, and it requires kind of a layer of data in between, so that when you, for instance, you leave the house, the alarm system would send a signal to turn down the programmable thermostat. A second thing is this whole idea of disaggregation, which is a fancy way of saying you're looking at a signature, an energy signature, and from that data you can infer things like you have a refrigerator that's turning on and off unacceptably, or HVAC that is air conditioner that is on when it really shouldn't be because it's a cold day. And you can also infer energy consumption from that, and from a utility perspective, that gives them an idea of not only who's using the energy, but how much they're using. And that leads to kind of the third use of big data that we heard over and over again, what I call, or people in the marketing industry call, mass customization, where you can take that data you're getting, the utility's getting, and you create some actionable results that will help the consumer, so that they'll be able to tell the consumer, hey, you know, you've got a refrigerator that consumes a lot of power. Maybe it's time to get a lower cost, lower operating cost, newer unit that's more efficient. And so you're taking all this data, creating a more efficient home environment, and hopefully doing so at a longer term, low cost. Clearly there's still lots of questions. You know, privacy is at the forefront of everyone's minds in all this, but it's clear that the direction of the smart energy is in the smart home. So for the Smart Energy Summit and for ViodiTV, this is Ken Pyle saying so long.